Hi, I am Shanmugapriya, and today's video we are going to see about the most luxurious brand in the world. Yes, before entering into the video, I just want to ask a question. How many of you wear watches? Because as soon as when anyone asks time to you, you just see your cell phones and see the time and say to everyone. Okay, if you buy a watch, what will be the cost of the watch you wear? It will be like 3,000 or 5,000. I think it will be the maximum money spent in buying a watch. But apart from this, one popular brand that I told at the beginning as luxurious brand in the world is known as Rolex, and which sells a watch for 120 crores. Could you believe this or not? Yes, that is Rolex brand, and hence I told it as luxurious brand in the world. I like to share 10 things regarding this Rolex watch. Before entering into the video, I like to give a short introduction about Rolex watches. These Rolex watches are started by two brothers in England. Basically, they belong to England. They used to buy watches from Switzerland, and they made a wholesale process in England. Later, after World War I, they went to Switzerland and they started a watch company, which is a Rolex. And the most important person for this Rolex watch is Hans. Hans was the most important person who worked inside this Rolex factory, because before all, usually in olden days, girls used to wear wristwatches. They used to design watches in a most good-looking way for the girls, because they think that it's one of the ornament like bangle. And men used to have their watches in their hips hanging on their belts. This was the process carried on in olden days. Hans was the first person who took initiative in creating the most good-looking and handsome watches, and in order to make men more prestigious, he wanted to create a watch, and that is Rolex watch. So let us go into the video. The first fact about the Rolex watches is that it's a handmade watch. Yes, usually the handmade things are very popular in other nations compared to India. Each and everything they make is handmade works. The next important thing is testing. Yes, once the Rolex watch is made or finished, it undergoes various testings, like it has to withstand the waterproof, and it has to undergo various process, like it withstands even in atmospheric pressure, and it a lot of tests in order to prove the working of the watches. If the watch failed in any one of the tests, that watch will be will not be replaced, or they will not sell that watch in a second sale or nothing else doing. They put it as such and they go for a new watch. This is the most interesting fact about Rolex watch. The next important thing is stainless steel. Yes, the steel which is used to make Rolex watch is the most costliest steel, which could not be find anywhere in the world. The stainless steel which is used to made the Rolex watch is manufactured inside the Rolex company itself, and this is not manufactured anywhere in the earth. So this is the most important fact. And the next important fact is in India, the price of Rolex watch starts from 35 lakhs. So another important thing is they use lot of gold inside the Rolex watches. The gold which is used in Rolex watches is manufactured in their company itself, and the diamonds which are used in the Rolex watches is also manufactured, and they have a mining factory inside the Rolex itself. So this is the most attractive feature. Apart from this, the time period for a Rolex watch takes about 1 year. Yes, 1 year for one watch. When we compare to Toyota in Japan, the minimum hour taken for manufacturing a Toyota car is about 18 hours. So this is something unbelievable. And the next important factor is security. Yes, the Rolex building is about 6 buildings in Switzerland, but a person can easily go inside the Parliament of India or White Building of America, but it's very difficult to go inside the Rolex factory. Even the persons who are working inside the Rolex factory could not know in which room they are. It is considered as the most secured building in the whole world. And another important fact, seventh important fact is the name of the brand. Yes, the Rolex. It is given by the worker Hans as Rolex. When he thought about this word, it doesn't have any meaning. When he was traveling in his career, he was thinking on choosing the name. The one thing he had in his mind is when they pronounce this word, this should be pronounced in all type of languages. At the same time, it should be luxurious, and it doesn't have any meaning by itself. Hence the word Rolex. The next important thing is intricate engineering inside the Rolex watch is really amazing. At the time of Second World War, the soldiers are presented with Rolex watches, and because at the time of war field, the only watch which can withstand a large amount of pressure or water is Rolex. Hence, these Rolex watches are given to the soldiers. Even the world's deepest ocean of Mariana Trench, they have taken this Rolex watch, and even the persons who climb to Mount Everest are presented with Rolex watch in order to check the testing of this Rolex watch whether it's compatible in those conditions. Next important thing is Roman numerals are mostly preferred inside the Rolex watch, but one appropriate feature of this Rolex watch is that for the Roman letter 4 there will be 4 lines instead of Roman letter 4. Yes, this is the rule followed by Rolex people. So this is most appropriate thing. See, many people can cheat you with local brands as Rolex, but this is one of the features that you can note before you buy a Rolex watch. So usually in New York City, which is you may heard of New York City in America, that is equal to Mumbai in India, one of the financially higher states in America. So in that state, in strip clubs, girls are taught about this Rolex watches. So when a person enters inside the strip clubs with this Rolex watch, he is able to spend large amount of money. So these are some of the features, notable features. And another important factors, James Cameron, one of the very popular director of the film Avatar, has bought this Rolex watch, and in the expedition to the sea, that is, he took an expedition to go inside the sea for many hours. He purchased a Rolex watch and went inside the sea. And this again proves to be that Rolex is the best. Nearly 8 lakhs watches are prepared in a year by the Rolex company. So these are some of the facts I thought share about this Rolex watch. Hope this video is very much useful, and thanks for your patience.